For my 112 project, I made a video editor, and we'll just quickly go over how it works. So when you click the browse for clip bar, you can select a clip, and if you select something like a text file, it'll basically tell you that it's not a valid path and tell you to go back. So if I actually do pick a video, we can go ahead and look at some of the functions available. There's we can insert clips, insert audio, text, or replace clips and audio. We have some more functions here as well. For example, if we look at the apply layover, it kind of applies a mask. So if we take another track and we start at 1, we start at 5 and go to 15 on the first one, and we replace that with time 0 to 10 of the second one, and we can decide how big we want the mask to be. And here it's like a position chart. You can decide where you want the new video to be positioned. So I'll just pick bottom right and click submit, and we can see it start to compile. So there, when it's done, it goes back here, and we can see that at 5 seconds it should come up, and it does, and it should go away at 15 seconds. And it does, so we can see how that works. Some other functions are, you can remove the audio actually. So if you remove the audio, I'll start compiling. So when you click something like this now, actually it won't have any audio. Or if you, well, I'm just going back every time because the way this works is it's incremental, where every single time you make a change, it will say it'll create a new file with another new in front of it. So this way you can keep track of the changes you made, and if you press Q, it'll take you back to the front page, and if you don't like a change you made or something, you can delete that video or select the one before it. So if I just go back, I can see I can actually get the audio file as well as remove it. So if I do this, you see it's done, and it's actually this one, it just you can hear it. And yeah, there's some other effects too, like speeding the video up, down, or play it backwards actually. For example, we can have it play at 0.5 speed, and let's apply it to the whole clip. So while it's compiling, oops. See, we see that it's twice the amount of time, and it's half the speed as well. Another thing we have is previews. So if you actually wanted to preview the video, you would be able to see it. And when the preview ends, it'll naturally cut off, and you can go back. You can actually, just keep doing it while it's going as well. Something else we can do is resize the video. So if you do this, it'll be like, what would you like the new width to be? And you can say like 300 and like 500. For the sake of time, this one takes a little bit to render, because it's basically going through each frame and doing it like that. So I actually did it beforehand, so we don't have to wait for that. But as you can see, like, the size is clearly different, and wrong file, and that's basically what I specified. And along with this, you can insert text, so you can be like 112 is cool, and insert this at 5 seconds, 4 or 5 seconds. It'll also ask you for like XY coordinates, so we'll like put it somewhere near the center, and we can have it be white and like size 40. And this one's relatively quick, so yeah, here we go. So at 5 seconds we should see it. There it is, and then in 5 more seconds, go away. And yeah, so we're good. Oh yeah, and then there's also the insert and replaces. So these work by having sliders. You can slide these around to get the intervals you want to replace. You can get the times you want, and these kind of lock onto a grid system, so it's more responsive and generally easier to use. And for example, if you click like somewhere like here, the closer one will come to you, so this one will pop up, and that's pretty handy. So we'll place the first 5 seconds with the last 5 seconds. Is that right? Yeah. So you can definitely go replace it with longer portions, but it's easier to see the effects this way. So we have this, and then if we play it, you can see that it doesn't start with the intro screen, and here it is. So, and if we go to 42 seconds, you can see that it's the same thing that plays in the beginning. So yeah, that's, for the most part, that's my project. And there's also some filters too. But yeah, thanks for watching, and